Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So today I have for you this blue makeup look. I'm going for my nephew's christening and I just thought I would film it for you. This is a get ready with me. I'll show you my outfit at the end of the video, but this is the look that I've come up with. It's like a very wearable blue makeup, so I hope you guys like it.
Hey my friends, so it's quite early in the morning and my face and eyes were really puffed up and I wanted to depuff them. Rubbing an ice cube on your face is like the best way to depuff your eyes, and you can do this even if you have tired eyes, and it's perfect before makeup. It gives like a nice base. Anything you put on top of it, like a foundation, it's just going to glide with your skin. So moisturizer, I'm going in with the Aveeno Baby Calming Lotion. This is what I apply on my son, but of course I use it on myself too because it helps to keep the dry skin away and locks in the moisture. Next we move on to sunscreen. I'm using the Sunsense sunscreen because this has SPF more than 50 and that is what we need. So any sunscreen with SPF 50 plus is perfect for your skin. Next for primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer. This is sort of like your MAC strobe cream. It is a perfect primer. It also gives that healthy glow to your skin, so your skin glows over your foundation. And for foundation, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Golden 6. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is in the shade CW6. I'm applying a little bit of this on my eyelids as well, so it acts as a good base for your eyeshadow to sit. I'm setting my face with the MAC Studio Pressed Powder in the shade Medium Dark. So for eyeshadow today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette, and I'm starting the transition with this nice bright orange shade, and I'm adding that to the crease and blending using a MAC blending brush. And I'm using the NYX palette. I'm using this dark brown shade and going over the previous shade and going into my crease and deepening my crease with that dark color. And then I'm taking blue shade from the Wet n Wild palette again, and I'm using my fingers to apply this in the center of my eyelid because I feel this way the color payment is much more better than using a brush. And I'm then just using the blending brush and blending the previous colors along with this, so this blue does not look too prominent. I just wanted to have like a soft look, and I'm just blending it with the previous brown, and I'm now using a clean blending brush and blending all the colors together. Now I'm just repeating the same exact steps for the other eye as well. For eyebrows, I'm using the Sephora brow pencil. This is in the shade Soft Charcoal. This is a waterproof brow pencil. Using a spoolie to set my brows in place and make them look natural. And then I'm using this beautiful blue eye pencil. This is from NYX, and I'm applying this to my lower waterline. Next, for eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise, and I'm just lining my eyes with a very tiny wing. And then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, and I'm adding a few layers on my lashes. For contour today, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Contour, and in the shade medium. Yes, this is just the brush head. The stick broke, but this is one of my favorite brushes for contour and I didn't want to throw it away. So I'm just using the brush head here. And then I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter and I'm adding this to the inner corners. I love to do this because this opens up your eyes and makes your eyes look more bright and awake. For blush, I'm using the Milani Coral Cove. For my highlighter today, I'm using the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter. This is in the shade Ray of Light. Using the same shade for my brow bone highlight as well. And adding a little more on my inner corners. And then prepping my lips with a lip balm before we apply lipstick. So guys, I do not know how it stopped filming after this, so I could not show you what I applied on my lips. But this is what I used. This is the Face Shop lip crayon. I used this as a lip liner. And for lipstick, I used the e.l.f. matte lipstick. This is in the color Ruby Red. And of course, to finish it all, I'm using the e.l.f. makeup mist to set my makeup in place. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, then do please give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't done so already, please turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, I'll catch you up very soon. Take care guys. Bye bye.